Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how to send money from Remitly to GCash. So let's get started. So to ensure a smooth transaction, make sure your Remitly account is set to send money to the Philippines. After launching the Remitly app or website and signing in, tap on Manage and verify that your destination is set to Philippines. Next, search for Philippines in the search bar and select it. Then, tap on Send at the bottom of the screen. Now, choose the amount you'd like to send. For example, let's select 30. Afterward, you'll need to pick a delivery method. This determines how your recipient will receive the money. Since GCash is a mobile wallet, select Mobile Money as the delivery option. Next, select your payment method. For this example, I'll choose Ideal, then tap Continue. Now, you'll need to choose the Mobile Money wallet option and select GCash from the list. After that, enter the recipient's first and last name, and if applicable, their middle name. Don't forget to input their mobile phone number. You'll be prompted to confirm your payment method once again. Next, review the details carefully in the overview section. If everything looks good, click Confirm Transfer to proceed. And that's it, you are done.